In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert or mirror your camera in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting or just want to ensure that you look your best on video calls, knowing how to adjust your camera settings can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. This can be done by clicking on the Teams icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Applications menu. Once you've opened Teams and you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner. Here, you'll see three dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to Settings, go ahead and click on it, and a new window will pop up. Now, in the Settings window, you'll see a list of different tabs on the left side. Look for the tab labeled Devices and click on it. This section holds all the settings related to your audio and video devices used within Teams. As you scroll through the Devices section, locate the area specific to video settings. Here, you'll find various options that allow you to adjust your camera view. What we're particularly interested in is the option labeled Mirror My Video. This option is commonly found right below your camera preview, which gives you a sneak peek of what other people see when you're on a call. The Mirror My Video setting is pretty straightforward. By default, your camera shows you just as you appear. However, checking the Mirror My Video checkbox will flip your image, much like looking into a mirror. This means words and patterns appear reversed just as you'd see while standing in front of a mirror. Enabling this feature is great if you prefer to see yourself in that mirrored format, which can be more intuitive when adjusting your hair or positioning. Conversely, if you prefer things to appear as they really are, make sure this box is unchecked. Disabling the mirror switch will show your normal camera view, presenting your image just as would be broadcast to others. This setting is particularly useful if you need to ensure any text you display on the screen reads correctly to others. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily switch between mirrored and non-mirrored views, depending on your preference. It's a small tweak, but one that lets you feel a little more in control during your video meetings. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your team's experience more comfortable and visually pleasing.